guys! Welcome back to my channel! If you're here, welcome. I'm Jam. I do food and travel vlogs. And for today's video, hindi tayo makalabas. Again, hindi tayo makalabas. Siyempre naka-lockdown tayo. Ilang weeks na po, mahigit 1 month pa. Tababalo na po ako at iniisip ko na po kung ano pwede content na ibigay ko sa inyo. Pero for today's video, mga best, we are gonna make a new drink. It's called milk iced tea. So, ano gagawin natin? Milk iced tea. So, malalaman nyo kung paano gawa ng milk iced tea today. If you wanna know how to do it, just keep on watching. So, milk iced tea, okay, unang-unang gagawin natin is, of course, we need tsaa. So, I'm using the Paradise blend from Coffee Bean. I love this tsaa. Get a mug with, okay, hot water, and then you are gonna steep your tsaa right there. Get 2 mugs, okay. Steep it, steep it, steep it. Siguro mga 2 to 3 minutes. Ganon. So, I'm steeping it now. Ayan siya. Okay, give it 2 to 3 minutes para makuha natin yung tamang flavor, ma-extract ka naman. At tugitin mo. Alright, pagkatapos lang 2 to 3 minutes mga besh, kuha ka ng ice molder. Ice molder ba tawag dito? Basta yung ginagamit paggawa ng ice, gano'n. Tapos, ipabuhos natin yung tsaa sa ice molder. Oh my gosh, nakatakot guys. Kailangan pantay, gano'n. Gano'n, pantay. Hindi pwedeng may lumalamang. Okay, do the same with the other one. Pagka may masyadong sobra, ganunin mo para na sasalin, ganyan o. Oh, shucks, nakakatakot siya, moms. Oy, nagtatapon Akira. Ayan, after that, we're gonna freeze it. So, ayan na po siya, frozen na po, naging ice cubes na po ang ating tsaa. We are gonna transfer it sa glass. So, first pala, I'm gonna put honey sa rim. So, ganito lang po siya. Iikot-ikot lang po natin sa rim. Ganyan. You see that effect though? That's so nice, right? Yan, ganyan. So yun na nga, ito transfer na natin mga besh. Ayan, so ganyan na siya. Then you're gonna pour milk. Tadlun lang kadali, besh. I'm gonna use almond milk once again. Ayan, o diba ang cute? Oh my gosh, I'm very excited to try this. Alright, tikman natin. Let's get a straw. I'm gonna use my, oh my gosh, stainless straw. There. Para diba? Fun with nature. Ganon. Alright, tikman na natin. I'm very excited. I'm gonna mix it lang. Actually, gawa-gawa ko na to. Oh wow. That is literal milk iced tea. Matamis-tamis dahil sa honey. Tapos pag natunaw yung pinaka-tsaa, oh my gosh, perfect. It's so refreshing mga besh. So, if you like this, gawin nyo na. Sobrang dali lang. Easy, super easy. Let me know kung nagawa nyo na. Comment below kung anong feedback nyo. I think ito, bagay pag pinatunaw mo pa yung yellow para matikman mo na talaga yung tsaa effect niya. Then yeah, that's it for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, and comment below once again. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!